Today we'll learn about Matplotlib in the path to data science. So, in the first cell, I inputted Numpy Matplotlib and style from Matplotlib and plot, and I'm also using modulo Matplotlib inline. It's normally for printing or showing these graphs inline. So I'm choosing a random number and it will change every time I run the cell, and I'm using style as dark background and plot of I'm using random number and the color is R. Label is line 1, line width is 5, and I am giving a range and numbers to X label and Y label. That means X label I am taking a value range as X label and value numbers as Y label, and I am giving my graph a title, that's first plot, and I am using a legend. This is what legend is, and we can even include position like location, like that. Sorry, in order to run this, first I have to run the is here. So there are total of 4 locations in here. Location 1, location 2, location 3, and location 4. If you notice here, try giving location 5. Yeah, try giving location 6. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When we give 7, when we give 8, like that. You can mention any location where you want, except for minus values. You can start from 0 and you can give any number of values until it supports and prints. The next example, we are importing PyPlot as plot plt, and we are plotting some values, and we are using color as red and the symbol as O. I will show the difference here. See here, when I use O, you see here, we'll get scatter values. This is actually, this O represents style. You can mention whatever you want here. See here, I can mention up to 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4 from numbers, and you can give some random columns and see what it will give. It prints error like this. You see here, like this. It will support some styles, and if you want to discuss about the style, it will take another video. But I'm just skipping the styles part, and we can change colors to red, green, yellow, orange, like that. Many colors are there. I'm importing Numpy here and for the purpose of using arrange function, and I'm using arrange function here. So what basically arrange function is, I've already explained it in the previous videos, for just for clarification, better understanding purpose. See here, from 0 to 5 it will print all the values in between with the difference of 0.2 between each value. That's arrange function. So now I will print the graph. This is it, and we are using blue square, green cap, and R dash dash. We'll use one dash line, or else we can use circle like that. These are basically styles. So this is scatter plot, the fourth one. We are using A values, a range of 50. That means 50 random numbers from 0 to 50. And random numbers, all are random numbers, A, C, D. So we are using a calculation here for data of b point. For b plots we are doing a calculation where we are multiplying and adding values, and we are scattering them. Finally we are scattering a, b, c equal to random value c, and s equal to d, scatter points equal to d, data equal to data, the data we have entered here, data, and x label as x label, y label as y label, and we are finally printing the graph. This is it. So when we didn't mention any specific color, it will consider automatic colors for different values. Here we are printing 3 graphs at a time, and we are considering 3 values, group A, group B, and group C, and we are giving values as 1, 10, and 100. So we are taking a figure. This is another topic in Matplotlib, figure, and figure size is 10, 3. We can even change figure size. 10 is width, and the other value, the one at x place is width, and the one at y place is height. We'll change it. Here we got the increase increment height, and we are taking subplots 131, 132, 133, like that. We are plotting names and values where we got the names here. So names is x-axis, where x-axis values are group A, group B, and group C, and y-axis values are values 1, 10, and 100. At group A it is 1, and at group B it is 10, and at group C it is 100. So that's what we are doing. So we use subplots here. That is for different types of printing here. For in first graph we printed bar chart, in second one we use scatter plots, in third one we use like dashed format, like that. So there are many color maps in Matplotlib rebuild. So you can use one of the most famous one is Veridays, and there are many others, you can use them too. And after all this, there is one more thing I want to show you here. How to print a pie chart. Here I created an example. We have tabs here and its users. So we got some maps. If we want to, we can even add snapshot too, and we can take the users as 50, and let's see if we get the right answer whether, or else we'll get wrong answer. And I'm changing the explode back to 0, and I'll keep two values as 0.1 to explain the difference between what's 0 and 0.1. So ignore this one. See here, I'll try to make a chart of it. If you see here, there are 5 apps in it, and I'm giving title as pie chart. The one is Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and Twitter. So based on usage, it will automatically separates and gives the values in a pie chart. So the explode is, you see here the difference between here, like in between Instagram and Facebook there is a difference, like it divides two values and gives a space between the two values, like that. That's because of explode. If we change the explode from 0.1 to 0, it will all printed combinedly. This is how a pie chart looks like, and we give the exploded snapshot. It will look beautiful. That's it. And we can even give the values, like if you want to change the colors, you can even change the colors by using colors list here. So I'll show you the example in another one. See here, I already used colors here: blue, green, yellow, red, pink, and brown. Like that, you can even change that. So that's it, guys. Thank you. If you enjoy watching the video and learn something, please do subscribe to my channel. That's it. Bye bye, and advance happy new year.